Erie County Executive Mark Poloncarz says county attorneys are still deciding if information about the county's response to the Christmas blizzard will be released to the public. In a statement, Poloncarz said a report does not exist, but in fact, he had officials analyze what went well and what did not during that once-in-a-lifetime storm. He went on to say his staff has come up with a better preparedness plan. That includes adding more snow equipment, incorporating the iPause system, and adding a policy to add preemptive driving bans. He also said he is improving emergency preparedness in underserved communities.